Here we come to the service elevator at the Consolation field, which is formerly known as Skeeters Stadium in Sugarland, Texas. This is an updated take on this elevator as well. It's a Schindler 338. You have to press down hard on that LL button. Anyway, so like I said on the passenger elevator, this is no longer called Skeeters Stadium. This is now called Sugarland Space Cowboys. If this thing gets busy, we're gonna get off. And back up to one end there. This elevator cab kind of looks a lot more nicer than the passenger elevator. I'd much rather see an elevator cab like this rather than the plain looking stainless steel. All right, well, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna watch it close, and with that being said, that was an updated take on this elevator. So thanks for watching. There it goes, and that'll be it.